What's going on? This is the Lazy Panda. Today we're going to show you how to use a Recon scanner to spot an infected wildlife or trespasser. This can be a little challenging, so we're going to show you an easy method to do this challenge. What I suggest is that we're going to land at one of these satellite locations right here. We just marked on the map. Reason being is that we can find a Recon scanner here, use the launch pad, and fly to an area that's being abducted by aliens to scan a trespasser. We're going to show you in-game how we're going to do this very quickly. Okay, so just in case we weren't clear, what we're looking for is these abducted areas that are purple, like that. So right here it looks very easy to be able to get a Recon scanner and then parachute over to Craggy Cliff to get a trespasser that'll be in a UFO ship. Alright, we're at the satellite dish and you want to see these kind of crates because these crates have a great chance of dropping a Recon scanner. Luckily we got it our first try. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the launch pad over to Craggy Cliff because it's being abducted by aliens, which is going to make it easier to ping a trespasser. Alright, so we knocked down the alien, now we're going to shoot the Recon scanner and get the challenge done, just like that, baby. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on the Lazy Panda.